Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 9th June 2025, Nifty index opened on a flattish note and witnessed volatile swings in the first hour due to the RBI policy. Following the announcement, the index staged a sharp recovery of over 300 points from its intraday low of 24,670 marks, eventually crossing the 25k marks. Bulls displayed clear dominance throughout the week, with key support levels being defended successfully. On the weekly chart, the index formed a strong bullish candle and is now on the verge of a potential Poland flag breakout. It formed a bullish candle on the daily chart as well, continuing its sequence of higher lows from the last three trading sessions, and finally closed the session with gains of around 250 points. India VIX was down by around 3% to 14.6 levels. Nifty put-call ratio improved to 1.05. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,500 to 25,500 zones, while immediate range is in between 24,800 to 25,200. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 1,009 crores. While DIIs were net buyers worth 9,342 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 21%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest now Nifty has to hold above 25k for an up move towards 25,400, while support can be seen at 24,700. Bank Nifty has to hold above 56,250 for an up move towards a new lifetime high territory of 57,250 marks, while support can be seen at 56,000. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in IDFC First Bank, Muthoot Finance, MCX, AU Bank, Oberoi Realty, SBI Card, and L&T Finance. While some weakness could be seen in Bank of Baroda, Chambal Fertilizers, Syngene, Irida, and Marico. Wish you a super day and a lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.